This sketch title intro template will work on Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit this title intro. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install the motion graphics template. Place template on the timeline. Change title text here. Add same text in both text holders. Change font from here. Change the same font in the bottom text holder. Change title text position from here. Change tagline text here. Change tagline text tracking amount from here. Here you can change tagline text position and scale. Change title and tagline text color from here. Change background color here. If you want black background, then change background color 1 to white. Change background color 2 and 3 like that. That's it. Thanks for watching.